What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. So I've been trying to do motor mounts on this car for a while now. It's super hot in here, and it's hard to do motor mount on these cars on jack stands. So I was thinking about taking the car to the shop where my cutter works, but the ball joints on this car are so bad. I'm halfway to drive this car all the way to Bonita Springs, which is 40 minutes away from me. So that's when he said, well, why don't you just replace the ball joint and then drive the car down there, so you can put the car on the lift and then do the motor mount. So I was like, you know what, that's a great idea. And then on Thursday I ordered some tools from Amazon so I can do the ball joint. Then it said it would be here Thursday night, and then they didn't show up. Yesterday they didn't show up. Now it's Saturday. It says it'll be here today. So hopefully while I'm here, if they show up, I'll just do the ball joint as well. But on today's video, I figure why not just replace the bushings on this car, the LCA bushings. As you can see here, these things look so bad. So what I did, I ordered the RCF bushings. So this is the one for the left side. You see I put that L there so I remember which one. Well, you can just look it up from the part numbers as well, but that's the driver side, left side, and this is the passenger side, right side. So I was planning on doing figs bushings, but they're a little bit expensive. I was like, you know what, I just want to fix this car so I can drive it. Let's just put the RCF bushings for now, and later on I'll do the figs engineering bushings, because this car needs wheel hub, ball joint, shocks, and even possibly lower control arms. Okay, I just got done with the passenger side. Now let's do the driver side. I'll show you guys this part because it's the same thing. Now when you get underneath of the car, you have this bracket right here. There's a bolt there, and then another one here. It's a 14 mil, and then there's the big one right here. This is a 22 mils. It goes to the frame, and then this one right there, another 22, and then this one right here, which is a 17 mil. Now I'll take this one off first, because earlier I did these first, then I had trouble removing this one. That one has a nut on top, and then we'll move on from here. And as you can see, this isn't good at all. This is bad. All right, let's get into work. And lastly, this one right here, that's the main. All right, just like that. This one is off, and I can remove this one right here. This nut also have a washer that comes with it. Now let me get the nuts on top of this and remove that bolt right here. So as usual, the GoPro died. Now we're using the Canon. So with this bolt, the way you do it, there's a nut on top, so you need to grab another tool to hold it on top to completely drop that thing, that bolt. And now we can just use a pry bar or something like this and press, and then you can remove the old bushing. All right, just like that, it's out. And now as you can see, this is the old one. As you can see here, it's bad to a point where it's leaking. And then this is the new RCF bushing, and this is the part number again, and this is the driver's side. All right, let's put this thing back on so we can finish with this job, and hopefully Amazon show up so I can do the ball joint. But it's already so hot in here. I think I have to do this another day, but we'll see. Now to install this back, you do the same thing. Pry this down a little bit. Just like that, we are all good. Before you put these bolts back, make sure you clean them and apply some grease. Now I'm just gonna do this one first, and I'll put the nut on top. All right, just like that. Now don't tie it all the way. Hold this one, the washer and the nut. Now we can do this one right here. Leave it like that, and these two bolts down here. And now I'm just gonna slowly tuck this in, not all the way yet. All right, this is good. But before I tuck this one and that one, I'll do this one first. This is 150 foot-pounds. That's the big one, the main one. That one is 63 foot-pound. This is 113, and these are 37. Let me slowly tuck this in. All right, now I'll tuck this one, that one, and these. Now this bolt right here, the 17 mil, I didn't tuck it all the way down yet. You have to hold the nut on top while you tuck this down, and that's what I'm gonna do. Other than that, this job is done, and I'll talk to you guys in a few seconds. Anyways, it's so hot out here, so I was hoping that Amazon would show up so I could do the ball joints. Now it's like 2 o'clock and it's really hot here, and they're still hot here, so I'm just gonna have to do the ball joint another day. But other than that, we are done with this video. As you can see, this is the old ones. You can see here they weren't good, they were bad, like bad. They were actually leaking, as you can see. Like I said, later in the future I'll do the figs one, but for now I think the RCF one will do just fine because I have them on my IS350 since 2019 and they're perfectly fine. So next we'll do the ball joint and then we'll do the motor mount and stuff. So yeah, so as you can see here, I am literally sweating, like it is not good. It's hot in here. So I hope you guys have a good day, good night, good afternoon. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.